Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and mender.
Okay, we're in Zhuhai. We're going to attempt to film on a kind of rainy evening, but the lighting is just about perfect. We're in somewhere called the Midtown Mall. We're going to take a little stroll around before it starts raining again, and we'll also put it up on the map so you can see exactly where it is as well. And we'll probably walk around for about 10, 12, 15 minutes. But you could probably walk around like 30 or 45 minutes pretty easily. Okay, stay tuned. Let's put it up on the map. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so let's just kind of explore through here a little bit. Down that way is the entrance. It's basically a city block. And it's been kind of raining all day today. So right now is it's been downpouring actually. So there's people that are still hovering around on the sides, trying to stay out of the rain. But later that would be lit up. ZH. I love Zhuhai. So let's kind of stroll around. I think people here, they're coming out of the bathroom. So that's a bathroom to the right. There's definitely a lot of different directions we can go, but we're just going to give you a taste. And one of the things that you can tell already is that it looks like a mall, but we're 100% outside. How you know that is because we have rain everywhere. But it's kind of cool. There's a name right there, Midtown Mall. They also call it, I think they call it Fusulini. It's another name for it. Fusulini. So you probably saw it up on the map, and in this particular area it's maybe about 15 minutes away from the ocean, from the coastline. And in this particular area it's there's more shopping. There's H&M right there. Actually I just went there, so I have an H&M bag right here. And H&M is kind of at a I'm trying to go like that. H&M is, we're gonna come right up to one of the main spots here, right there. And then you can see like H&M will have a big, let me just kind of walk into the middle here, and then I'll turn around and show you the H&M. But this has different art exhibitions. Every time I've been here, there's something a little bit different. And right now it looks like these giant balloons. And at nighttime, everything is lit up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna turn back around, but I just wanna highlight all the middle parts. There's a Michelin. Then you can see up above, there's even, let me just kind of look up that way. So you can see there's tall apartments. There's even a hotel up here too. Let's just kind of go down this way briefly. There's a Pop Mart. Pop Marts are very popular. I think it's Pop Mart, I think stands for like something about popular. Okay, we're gonna come right over to the map here. And so you can kind of see how it's set up. There's Midtown, there's Chill Street, which has, I think, restaurants are in there. And then they're kind of like 1, 2, 3 city blocks by maybe 4 city blocks. So it's like 12 city blocks, small city blocks. That's kind of how it's set up. And it's all shops. And you are outside, and then all the way around it would come a road, but you don't really notice the road. It's kind of self-enclosed. So okay. So yeah, it's kind of a self-enclosed square. So now we're going to be walking towards the H&M, and that has kind of it's like Times Square kind of feel, like a New York Times Square or Tokyo with the digital art kind of stuff. And then here, this one, I couldn't tell you what this one is exactly. And you got lots of young people that are walking around too. So there's the H&M. So they have the anime, I guess it's called. So I think we walked around like this and came back. These the anime ones are kind of cool. So we're gonna walk past the anime. And then I think we're gonna go to the right towards the, what's that called? Towards the street, I think. So yeah, the anime, it's kind of cool. I see quite a few around here. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna move down this way a little bit. Okay, so there's the sign again. So Midtown. I think I maybe walked by it already, but we're gonna take a right or a left. I don't think I went right yet. I think I know where I went. I was kind of over in that direction and I went around that way. So now we're gonna go this other way. But yeah, the lighting is about perfect. So this is the way that another time I was here and I actually did like 3 videos in 15 minutes each. I'm just kind of walking around because there's enough to keep you busy. There's yet another map to the right, but I'm not going to look at that one. But you can see we're kind of in a different area already. It's funny, it was just raining so hard. Just like such a little while ago. There's a restaurant up there. Okay, so we're going to go down this way now. I think this one's going to go out to the road, which is kind of what I wanted to do. Just to kind of show you that it's self-contained. This restaurant's to the left, but I don't want to move the camera around too much at nighttime. Different restaurants. Oh, there's even a bar. This is called the Lucky Bar. And otherwise you could sit outside, but it's raining right now. Yeah, and there's more apartments. So Zhuhai has a lot of apartments around the shopping malls, I've noticed. They're building quite a bit called Huafe. It's funny, there's like a light right there. But the light is not for the traffic, right? It's just there. Oh, it has a heart sign. Funny. Okay, here's another bar right here. So I think this one, let me just see. Looks like they might have some kind of draft beer. Good life. So this does have a few bars. And then I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna walk out towards the main street. And that way it kind of gives you an idea that, you know, we're surrounded by a city block and that we're outside, it's raining, and you get a feel for it. And then if you want to see more, I'll link it. At the end of the video, I'll have a link, and that will have some of the other times that I was here at Midtown Mall. I've been here a few times now, so now you can see all these people are gonna either cross the street and there's our Midtown Mall. Then you can see down the way all the cars, right, and then kind of tree line stuff along the cars. I think I'm gonna go back in and do the final shot here. But yeah, that's Midtown Mall. Then you have all these food vendor stuff too on the side. Okay, let's just end it right there.